to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa and today we are making hard-boiled eggs. What can be simpler than that, right? Well, we are going to take some of the top techniques for making hard-boiled eggs and put them to the test. Today we are comparing the traditional stovetop boiled method to the baked method, microwave, Instant Pot, air fryer, and egg steamer methods for making a boiled egg. For each method, we are going to prepare a batch of 3 eggs, and then we're going to evaluate each batch for time, how easy they are to peel, appearance, yolk firmness, and, of course, taste. First up in our test is the oven-baked method. We are going to bake the eggs in a muffin tin in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. And this batch of eggs did not turn out too pretty. They have a few brown spots on them. We're going to plunge them into a little bit of ice water and let them sit for 2 minutes. These eggs were super easy to prepare and they were fairly easy to peel, but their appearance was not what we were looking for. They had a brownish tint and some brown spots on them. Our second method was the traditional stovetop boil method. Eggs were placed in a pan, covered with water, and then brought to a boil on top of the stove. Once they reached a boil, we turned off the heat and covered them and let them sit for 12 minutes. They were then put in ice water and peeled. And these eggs turned out perfectly. They were easy to peel and the appearance was exactly what we were going for. Next up is our microwave method. We're going to start this process by poking a small hole in each egg using a thumbtack. The eggs are then placed in a microwave-safe bowl and covered with hot water. Then it goes into the microwave for about 5 minutes. After that, we're going to plunge them into some cold water. And we tried this method twice, and both times our eggs came out undercooked. Next up is our little egg steamer device. And following the manufacturer's instructions, we are going to put a little bit of water in the bottom of our steamer, poke a small hole in each egg, place it in the steamer, put the cover on, and then just push the button and let the appliance do the rest. This method was probably one of the easier methods. It ranked high on our list for ease and convenience. And these eggs were super easy to peel, and they looked perfect. The egg steamer worked almost as well as our next method, the Instant Pot, which ranked the highest on our list. To make eggs in our Instant Pot, we are going to put a little bit of water on the bottom of the pot, place our rack in the pot, and then put our eggs on top of the rack. Our eggs are then going to cook for about 5 minutes on low pressure. Then we're going to let them sit for about another 5 to 12 minutes, letting the valve release naturally. And these eggs came out perfect. They were super easy to peel, and appearance and taste-wise, they were perfect. Next up was our air fryer. These results were disappointing. I've done soft-boiled eggs in the air fryer and I've always had pretty good results, although sometimes they are hard to peel. But for the hard-boiled eggs, the cooking time was a little bit longer. We're simply going to put the eggs in the air fryer, cook them for about 15 or 16 minutes at 350 degrees, and then they're finished. We're going to put them in ice-cold water and peel them. These eggs came out with brown spots. We didn't like their appearance, and they were super hard to peel. In a side-by-side comparison, the steamer, stovetop, and Instant Pot eggs were the nicest looking eggs. And that held true when we cut them open as well. The steamer, Instant Pot, and stovetop eggs all looked the nicest, both inside and out. Thank you for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. For recipes, articles, and more video, go online to PenelCentral.com.